Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily English Listening Stories podcast. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. It really helps us a lot. My name is Leo.
And my name is Anna. We are so happy you are here with us today.
So, Anna, is it noisy in your house today, or is it quiet? In my house, it is very quiet because my nephew went home. Yesterday, he was here. He is 5 years old. And wow, he talks a lot. He asks, why is the sky blue? Why is the cat sleeping? Can I eat a cookie? Today, we have a very special topic. We are going to talk about kids, children, the little humans. How do you talk to them in English? It can be difficult, right?
And yes, but I love talking to kids. They are funny, they are honest, and they are great for practicing English.
That is true, Anna. Kids use simple English. So if you can talk to a kid, you are doing a good job.
Exactly. But sometimes kids talk very fast, or they say strange things. So today, we will give you some tips.
Yes, we will talk about the morning, the afternoon, and bedtime. All the vocabulary you need for a family routine. Anna, let's start with the morning. Is it peaceful?
Peaceful? No, the morning is chaos. Do you know this word, Leo?
Chaos. Yes, it means messy, noisy, and crazy. Why is the morning chaos, Anna?
Because kids wake up early, very early, 6 a.m., and the first thing they say is, I'm hungry.
Ah, yes, breakfast. What do kids eat? Coffee?
No coffee. They eat cereal or pancakes, and they make a mess. Milk on the table, cereal on the floor.
Mess is a good word. It means things are dirty and not organized. So, after the messy breakfast, what happens?
Then comes the hardest part, getting dressed. Kids always lose their clothes. Mom, where is my sock? Dad, I can't find my shoe.
The mystery of the lost sock. So, you have to help them. Put on your shoes. Brush your teeth. These are good commands for learners to practice.
Yes, brush your teeth, wash your face. We say these every day. And then the school run, taking the kids to school.
Have a good day. Be nice. And then silence. The parents can relax.
For a few hours, yes, but then it's 3 p.m. School is finished, the kids come home, and the afternoon routine begins.
Okay, Anna, what do you ask a kid after school? Do you ask, how was the economic situation today?
No, Leo, that is too boring. You ask simple questions. How was school? Did you have fun? What did you play?
Those are great questions. Kids love to talk about playing. I played tag. I played soccer.
And then the scary word, homework. Do you have homework?
Kids hate that question. I don't want to do math. Math is hard.
So you have to be a little strict. First homework, then play. That is the golden rule.
First homework, then play. I like that rule. After homework, it's time for dinner. And this is another battle, right, Anna?
Yes, the vegetable battle. Kids hate green food. Yuck, broccoli. Ew, spinach.
I understand them. I don't like spinach either. So what do you do?
You have to be creative. Eat your carrots, they give you superpower. Eat your peas, they are magic beans.
You are a smart teacher, Anna. Magic beans. I will try that. So dinner is finished. The kids are tired, we hope. Now it is bedtime.
Bedtime is my favorite part. It's quiet, it's sweet. First, bath time. Water, bubbles, and a yellow duck.
Splish splash. Bath time is fun. then pajamas, soft clothes for sleeping, and then story time.
Yes, reading a book. Once upon a time. Reading English books to kids is fantastic practice for adults, too. The words are simple, the pictures help you.
That is a great tip. If you want to learn English, read a children's book. So you read the story, you turn off the light, and you say the magic words. What do you say, Anna?
Good night. Sweet dreams. Sleep tight.
Sleep tight. That is a lovely phrase. It means sleep well. And then you close the door, quietly, and you relax.
Yes, you survived the day.
Wow, Anna, we learned so many words today. Let's review the important ones for our listeners.
Okay. 1. Chaos. Messy morning. 2. Mess. Dirty and unorganized. 3. Chores. Small jobs like washing dishes. 4. Homework. Schoolwork at home. 5. Bedtime routine. Bath, pajamas, story.
Perfect list. Listeners, try to use these words. You can practice with your own kids or your nieces and nephews, or just talk to yourself. I am brushing my teeth. I am eating my magic beans.
Yes, narrate your day. It's the best way to learn.
And now it's time for the question of the day.
I'm ready. What is it?
The question is, what is your morning routine? Are you fast or slow?
Ooh, good question. I'm slow. I need my coffee first.
I am fast. I jump out of bed. Listeners, please write your answer in the comments below. Tell us, my morning routine is, or tell us a funny story about kids.
We love reading your stories. Writing is great practice.
Anna, thank you so much for joining me today. This was a fun conversation.
Thank you, Leo. I had a great time. Now I'm going to take a nap.
Good idea. Thank you to everyone for listening. You are doing a wonderful job. Keep practicing and have a chaotic, happy day.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.